today has been a day. I wanted to review and do a makeup tutorial showing you guys the new collection with ColourPop and RAWBEAUTYKRISTI because I was very impressed just by looking at the palette. She really killed it in regards to just the colors, everything all together. Like the whole thing is just absolutely beautiful. It's so good to see you guys and chat with you again. Don't worry, I'll be back for more. So stay tuned. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. There's so many exciting things coming on TikTok, on Instagram, on all the platforms coming this holiday season. So I'm over the moon excited for it.
Hey you guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. I hope the voiceover is better this time. It looks like I'm gonna have to film in my closet so you guys can really hear me and my voice sounds a little calmer and not so hollow. I am just prepping my eyes for the shadow. You guys, this shadow was so pretty. The mattes you do have to work a little bit with, but with just a little bit of extra blending, they turned out absolutely beautiful. I mainly just used these three shades, so this tan one in the crease, and then I used the most beautiful olive color ever in the inner and outer corners to kind of create more of a spotlight eye. And then I did go back in with that more like bluish emerald green to the inner and outer corners just to kind of darken it up and make it a little bit more green and more festive. For the center of the eye, I used one of the Super Shock shadows. I think this is called Like a Moss, which is so cute. Once I've applied Like a Moss to the center of my lid, I'm going to go ahead and use the green eyeliner just to add some color to my waterline. And then I went back in with one of the darker greens and just added a little bit of kind of like a liner. I then applied some mascara and, well, mascara primer and then mascara. And I'm going to apply some of my favorite lash glue, which is the VELOUR Lash&Go. You guys have seen me use this so much. It is the best lash glue ever. It's basically eyeliner / lash glue all in one. And it's the bomb. For the face, I'm just kind of doing my normal makeup. I've had a lot of acne on my face lately. If you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, you know that I've been struggling with it. I am actually going to the doctors this week to kind of get a little bit more information and really see what in the world is going on, because this is definitely not maskne. It is not due to stress, and the timing, it just all doesn't make sense. I'm sure that putting on a mask and wearing makeup and stress are not helping my situation here, but I definitely think it's much more internal and I want to figure out what is going on. Also, you guys, I was able to partner, not for this video, but for some Instagram and TikTok content with TEMPTU. When I tell you that their airbrush machine is so good and so easy to use for just like a regular person, I was thoroughly impressed because I have some airbrush machines and they are so difficult to use, and theirs was just absolutely flawless. I will say though, for the airbrush, it was very difficult to get the blush to be kind of even on top of powder. So if you are going to add blush, I would recommend doing it before you add powder to your face. And then I have to share this lip combo with you guys because I've been wearing it absolutely nonstop, no matter the makeup look. This is Morphe's lip liner in the color Sweet Tea, Max Velvet Teddy lipstick on top, and then any gloss that's similar to this one from the collection, which is absolutely beautiful, and I've just been absolutely loving it. And the highlighter, bomb. we have to say it is bomb. I love the way that this look came out. So cute for the holidays, and I hope you guys love it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun holiday stuff coming, and I will see you guys soon.